Are you a teenager looking to make some serious cash? In this video, I'll be sharing 5 money tips for teenagers that can help you make $1 million or more. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we'll be discussing money tips for teenagers who want to make some serious cash. Whether you're saving up for college or just want to start building wealth early on, these tips can help you get there. So, let's jump right into it. Also check the description of this video for wealth music and forex signals. Tip number 1, start with a side hustle. Whether it's babysitting, dog walking, or freelance writing, a side hustle is a great way to start earning some extra cash. Use your skills and interests to find a gig that works for you. Tip number 2, invest in the stock market. You're never too young to start investing. Start small with a few stocks or mutual funds and watch your money grow over time. Tip number 3, build a passive income stream. This could be through creating a YouTube channel, starting a blog, or creating an online course. The key is to create something that can generate income while you sleep. Tip number 4, learn to budget. The key to building wealth is to spend less than you earn. Create a budget and stick to it. Look for ways to cut expenses and increase your income. Tip number 5, think long term. Making $1 million won't happen overnight. It takes hard work, dedication, and time. But if you start early and stick to a plan, you can achieve your financial goals. So, there you have it, 5 money tips for teenagers to make $1 million. Remember, it's never too early to start building wealth and securing your financial future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.